Hi, I'm Laurent, founder and CEO of Edge Overland. And today, I want to show you how you open up your Horizon One rooftop tent. The procedure is really simple. First, you need to unbuckle your clips like this on one side, and you do the same thing on the other side. Once these are unbuckled, you just push the tent up. In some cases, maybe you need to step up to be able to push it a bit more. Once it's at a position, it will open by itself without any issues. After this, you will need to unbuckle this safety clamp, which actually pulls it down. You can see it on this side here. You unbuckle this clamp and just pull it to the other side. Don't let go of it because it might fly away because it's an elastic. You put it here, and the next step is actually you just put the leather saver off and you pull the leather towards you. Real simple. You grab it from here and you pull it out to its maximum extended position. Here, you just push it down real easily, and you need to make sure that this does not actually get caught up in that top position. You push the leather down, as you can see, and now you just pull it towards you real gently. It's not that big of a deal. Yeah, now it's okay. You always want to make sure this part of the tent is actually level with the other part. So, and also that your leather is safely planted on the ground. Next, you want to take your poles to put it up on the sides. First, you come up here, and underneath here, you will find your poles stored in a pocket. These are the poles that you need. From these, you will see you have two poles that are actually longer than the other ones. The two longer ones, as you see here, will come to the front, and the shorter ones will be used on the sides. First, let's put up the front. This is quite simple. You take the end, and here you will see that you have a small slot. In that slot, you put in the pole, and then you just bring it up with your hand like this. And here you will see that you have like a straightening part that you put this in. You make sure this is snugly in position and you let go. After that, you do the same exact thing on the other side. You come here, you have your pole, you put it in, you twist it up, and then you just put it in to the slot on this. And already, as you can see, you have the front. So here on the side, the procedure is exactly the same as in the front. You take a pole like this, and first you search for the slot. As you see it there, you put it in and you bring it up. Then you just put it into the hole. The same exact thing you do on the other side. You search for the position that it needs to go in, you put it in, twist it up, and just put it into the hole that it's supposed to go in. And you're pretty much done. At this point, you can zip up the mosquito net, and if you want, you can also close up the interior, but it's not necessary. After this, you do the same exact thing on the other side. After you have set up the poles on your rooftop tent, your last thing is taking these elastic straps, which you can find in the kit that you have received with your rooftop tent, and these need to be hooked into these little holes. You hook it in, and you pull the electric strap to the other side, and you also hook it in here. And you're done. This is pretty much all you have to do to set up your Horizon One rooftop tent.